Hello there, this is Patrick, and today I'm in my car, and look what I got. I got Thomas & Friends minis, so today I'll open them. So it'll take a little bit of time to open them.
Playing with chains
so,
now?
Goodbye.
No, chains. I like playing with chains. So I'm happy that I got a chain.
Sorry?
Oh.
Alright.
Okay, I'm back, and the
just
first
put
one I
the
got
chain
is
on.
Billy. Yeah, but I got what I don't have. I didn't get Thomas. I thought this one was Thomas. I already have a Thomas. But I got a Millie, and I don't have a Millie yet, so it'll take another time to wait, so bye.
Patrick, you don't do it like that. You just open all of them in one video. You know what I'm at, right?
I know. I am.
No, but you're doing like five.
People telling you, right, Boo? Come on.
Well, we do have our own opinion.
Another one I got. I got Dinosaur James.
Cool.
Yep. I got Dino Discovery James or whatever it is. He has a dinosaur head on him. That's what it looks like.
Ooh.
So that's
Wow,
it.
that's so
So
cool. I
I'm
like
gonna
this
be
one.
playing it over here. And
Hello, YouTube. You could say hello, YouTube.
what? Oh my gosh. By accident, I got the wrong one.
What? Did you get a duplicate?
Yep, so I got another duplicate, so I'm gonna give this away. I'm gonna have a big giveaway, and remember in my last video that I said I'm gonna give away a Thomas & Friends toy? So I'm gonna give away this James, and you're gonna have to find out a big competition, and this James you could win. Yep, this mini James. If you want this mini James, you're gonna have to enter the competition. Bye.